Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I'm doing a quick update of my year 2026 and what you're gonna expect this year going forward from this YouTube channel. So consider subscribing, give me that like and share. Let's get started. 2026, my focus, drum rolls, is healthy living. So expect more recipes on affordable, healthy recipes that you can prepare at home with no stress at all. I want this channel to give you a focus of healthy eating with not necessarily like the pressure of eating well, but basically to help you have a healthy diet. And another focus we have is kids friendly healthy recipes, especially for busy moms like me who have like picky eaters. This channel is what you need. So what to expect on this channel is healthy breakfast, lunch and dinner ideas, kids meals and lunchbox ideas, simple meal prep, and of course real life living, real healthy living as a mom and a homemaker. You have to live healthy, guys. Weight loss friendly meals. So if you're on a healthy living journey this year 2026, you are not alone. We can do this journey together, one meal at a time. So if this is content is something that you're looking forward to, consider subscribing. So guys, that's it from me. I thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.